So in this video, we're going to be taking a very brief look at how you would create and modify your checklists in the Anvaigo Checklist app. Everything that we're going to be doing will be done in our Business Central, and it's not something you need a developer for, but you're probably going to need the person who knows the process best, and they can make those amendments. So what I'm first going to do is let's take a look at what our checklist looks like at the moment. So I've got my vehicle inspections. And an important thing here is we have a new inspector who has come in. So that would be this question checked by Anna and Tim. We recently had Carla join our team, so we want to make sure that she's also added there. So from here, I'm in my Business Central. What I want to do is I want specifically to find my checklist, and what I'm looking for are my checklist templates. So I can go in here and there I have it, my vehicle inspection. That's what I'm going to want to work on. And I can see that check by question down here. Now, step one, I probably don't want to be doing these modifications when my team is out on the road. So I want to make sure my checklist is deactivated. And then I can go in and view. Now here on my side, I have what we call a radio question where I have a couple of possible options of what I'm working with. So I want to go in and I want to add Carla. She's joined the team. Need to make sure her information is on there. So when I'm working on creating or amending a checklist, I can go ahead and add a question or make a modification. Maybe the question itself needs to be changed, or it shouldn't be a mandatory field, or it should be a mandatory field. Add some other information. That's all done here in my dynamics. Now, as soon as I go back, I can activate my checklist and go back and restart my checklist. All right, so again, that was that vehicle inspection checklist that we were working on. No, all right. I've done my synchronization already, so I've pulled that new information, and here I can already see that my checklist has been updated. I have my new colleagues. Maybe it was a new question I was adding, but that information only took a couple of seconds, and it's available for my team out on the road to get started using. It really is that simple to make any amendments, to add a new question, or to create a checklist in total.